Oh God, give me brother. Believe it. Just, they don't know me always have start off with vlog and sing. You see, when you see me head top, they even bother saying, I look like a cokehead, don't you? I look like a cracky.
You need psychiatric evaluation.
Oh my God! I want vlog everything alright. Me there man, me jiggy man. The only thing where really dep on me case and bother me right now is the fact that I don't have my car. I miss it, you know. I miss him, man. Oh God, give me brother. Not really help my case with this style that I do in my head. I make up the face there. But I miss the car, man. Still not come back from the garage yet. I see some people that make a whole heap of suggestions as to what could be the problem. One of the things where the mechanic tell me say is that the engine a jam and I try to figure it out without having to pull up the engine. And so, pray for me, keep me on the prayers, and hopefully this car situation gets sorted out. I'm 100% going to sell it, but you know, you want to fix it first before you sell it to people. So if anybody is interested, I'm going to put out like when it come back, I'm going to make a video on all of them sitting there and show people how it stay, how it nice, really nice car, man. Really nice vehicle. You just, that me need to pay off some little things on my own, so that's why I'm going to sell it really and truly. Because if I did to fix it alone, I would have fixed it on my nice, but some little bills that I need to pay off. So that's why I sell it really and truly. Do I want to get another one after that? I don't think so, but we'll see. You know, we're there with the vlog, so we will follow. Right now I'm there, so I watch little when I sit there, Dawn of the Planet of the Apes. And you know the thing when I love about cable is that them not always just show one. So you know, say once one come on, them are gonna show the part 2 and the part 3. So the next installment in this will come up next time. I go watch it. I know probably I look right now and I say why house so dark. Cause sometimes I like it like this, you know, even though the place hot. So I go open it up in a bit. But sometimes I just like the little vibe, yeah. I feel like say I'm more productive when it just feel like say a night, but on a really night. When you see me here, I look like a cool kid.
Raw born idiot.
About 12 o'clock, you know, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, about 12 o'clock. Yeah, 12:11. I may have the house that look like say a night. Dark up. As I can say light. So I soon open up it. But you want to go up on the road. But honestly, if you're telling you the truth, I don't have nothing to go up on the road for. But you want to make some fried chicken. And that's going to require me to go up on the road. But like I say, sun hot. If rain fall, I would go during the rain. But I think I'm going to just cancel that plan there. Because I also want some seasoning. Like the real natural seasoning, like onion and them things there. But again, it's not necessary, because if we have what they call it powder seasoning, if we have powder onion seasoning, why am I gonna put the real onion pan here? The real onion is better, but why am I gonna put powder onion seasoning, then put onion in? So I just use what I have and make some. I think I do some brown stew chicken. So the next time when you see me, I have some plate to go wash up. The place I go open up and all of that, and go and watch me look a show here. And prepare the chicken for have for dinner. I think enough I got there for last me for a couple of days, so I'll just do that here, man. I really want to make some fried chicken, but it is what it is.
It is what it is.
This might just be a chatting vlog. Cause really and true, for the past couple of days when you see me and hear from me, this is all I've been doing. I've been staying inside, watching TV, chilling, me a bunch on game, and I try to figure out my life. And I wait for my car to come back so that I can know my next move. You understand? So I don't really miss out on nothing. I don't really do nothing special. From the last vlog where we got river, I don't do nothing special. I'm just there. So I don't feel like say every day I'm going to show and say, I sit down in a house. Nah, I do nothing. You know what I mean? It's not like I do nothing, but when I do, it's kind of repetitive.
Everything repeat back over again.
And it's not really exciting. Because I just get up, I don't feel like it's a day to make a video for the reaction channel. I make a video for the reaction channel and them thing there. I may chat for too long now, 5 minutes worth of talking this. So I'm going to just deal with and circle back. Alright? Alright.
Shut up your mouth, man.
Alright, I'm done sort out. I have the chicken over there, so. No man, don't worry about me head that, man.
Idiot.
Yo, brother! And them type of agonies I love doing it. Just I twist up in myself. You see, if I was more diligent and, you know, really did care, then I would have part it square and them thing there and, you know, twist it out. But I can't bother, so I just do what I do. I have to love where, you know, the freedom that is offered by being a YouTuber. Because I couldn't go to nobody's workplace. So.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Not even though I can't go on the road, so people look upon you and feel like say, yo man. Easy, but just easy, brother. Freedom for just live and do what I feel like to do. And I like it. I like that little blessing, you see me? But someone sit down and start judge me, dog. Choke my dreads them there. I'm not a dread man. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I feel like I'm gonna just trim. Alright, you know, trim me so and then probably drop. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. But for right now, I say look.
Better you go your bed.
I go up on the road, you don't know, so I wear a hat though, because nobody know if you see me like this. But Una see me like this, so I'm not even. But Una, you see me? I gang this. I want to get them exclusive, yeah, you see me? When other people see it, I'm shocked. And I say, Chuck.
A Kevin that's a Kevin Devine thing. When you just say this, I eat that. It's a Kevin Devine for a long time.
I think I make up my mind, so I go, are the brown stew chicken at work for real? I don't know how that I go without the, what we call it, live seasonings. I don't know, the real sweet pepper and the real this and that. But I go work with what I have, as I telling you before. The next Planet I Ape movie start. Yeah, Warpy Planet I Ape and them top there. This morning, when I did do some sitting this morning, you know. I did Salice Part 2 soon come out. So, I have to do some behind the scenes work, get some audio recordings done feet. Send that to the director so I'm gonna go check it out. And anything what we need for re-record, then we'll re-record. Like some get up and never did that. I did something today, you know. I put in some work. Yo, look at me head, brother. Anybody out there want drop some cane rope or something for me?
No!
But on a finger feel small and can really like catch it. Cause I think I hear about 2 inches, you know. About that. About 2 inches there, person. What do you want to do with me here? I just like keep on beating the mohawk thing, the side shave off. And I want to see how many look with me the trim. So that's what you want to do. But I don't really know what I go on. If my mind change, depends on how I feel. I probably just trim off this. Yeah, don't tell me if you trim. Don't tell me if you trim. See it? I can do what I feel like. If I feel like I trim, I go trim. And if not, then when I get used to that look.
Boy, if you don't
I take some trades. Cause when I want to do now more, I get into the funded accounts. I used to do it before, but I never know if me did. And back then time there I wasn't as good at trading. So definitely feel them. So I want to know more and get back into getting a next one. Make some predictions for some trades. I don't like to say predictions, but you know, I do some assessments or analysis and it turned out pretty good. Like if we did have the funded account, then I don't have to trade for years a week. I could have just build back on my phone when I just stay in my regular demo account. I build up the demo account from 3 grand. We start with that 3 grand demo account, and right now we're there about about 5,000. So that's 2 grand profit right there. So, and it's all from just doing my little analysis and taking the trades that, you know, show me. Cause last night, we did mark out the zone. I show you the predictions them. So this is what we did predict. Boom. And this are the after. Wanna see? You know, of course, with some of these things and everything you have a sure about. Once it fall within your strategy of what you trade, then it fall within my strategy, so I work with it. I'm follow my strategy. You understand? That's the thing. You have to just learn to trust in your strategy and switch up nothing. Know your risk management, your money management. And every trade you have a win, but what you want to do, you want to win more trades than you lose. And once you can control your emotions, then you're supposed to be a good enough trader as you elevate and as you learn. You know? So when I look for do now, I get a prop firm funded account. That's what I look for do. The one that I think for go with my Forex funds and look pretty decent. I think that is it for now until I have anything else to say. I'm gonna go back to watching my show. I wait for the chicken to thaw out. You know, there's a thing about me. I realize in another life, brother. Like who you can really and truly depend on. The person you can really and truly depend on is yourself. Now get me wrong now, you know, you have some people out there when you link them and say, oh, this we deal with and that we deal with. They will sort it out for you. But even with them people, it got to a certain limit. And you alone know, say, yo, when me say me I can do this, I can do it. If me say me I can box down one horse and kick up one donkey, you know in yourself if you are going to do it for real or not. You yourself alone you can really rely upon. And once you realize that you start Live better. So anything nobody said to me in terms of like, yo, I'm gonna deal with that fear, man. Especially if it's a favor when me never request and people just say it out of blue. Yeah, me take it with a grain of salt. I believe you, but me not believe you. Until you do it for real, that's when you really, oh, you do it. Yeah, man, you keep your word. And them things, they're reliable. But for the most part, I just try to deal with things by myself, you see me? You know, say I'm not sorry if you go in a life and every burden you can bear by yourself. But who can you rely on, man? It's just yourself. You bust 2 prayer, ask God for little help, and you do what you can do to sort out any little situation where you go through. So for the person out there who want to hear this, or we need to hear this, just know, say, when it all comes down to everything, the only person you can truly rely on is yourself. Yeah. So bet upon yourself, depend upon yourself. And once you know yourself, you're not going to let down yourself. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Please leave all offerings in the basket at the door. I wonder if me alone like the type of post-apocalyptic type of movie, you know, movies where the world is not the world we know. I wonder if it's weird or, you know, other people out there like me too. And I mean, big up on yourself. People will like them type of show where the world end or the world mash up and it's a different world. I don't know, maybe deep down we have this desire to see a different side of Earth. Because the one we know now, you know, look too. I don't know. I like to see like just, if you want to call it like primitive farmer living without all the technology where we have. And we just gone back to the basics of, you know, what life is, which is you have shelter, you can find food, you have water, and you recreate, procreate, whichever one, whatever you want to call it, you know? And you just live a simpler farmer life. You farm the land, them type of thing there. And it is more like a community vibe. And you have your own like a section. Airflow. Now, I don't know if I hear that a while ago, if the phone mic is sensitive enough to pick it up. But I just thunder roll. Thunder roll, the internet gone. We need to have a conversation. Is this a normal thing? So that we just want to like understand if it's normal. But when thunder roll, your internet cut off. Thunder, you know. Remember I said lightning no flash. Thunder roll. Just rumble a little bit and your internet gone. Flow, we need to have a conversation. We need to explain them things to me so that me not get as angry as me get when it happen. Come on, know why the scientific, technological reasoning behind thunder rolling and my internet chip out. I want to know. Mash up my little heart to heart with me. Sure. I talk about the whole post-apocalyptic survivor type show them. I like movies where people are out in the wilderness and them survive. Survivor, man, I did one of my favorite Disney. Discovery show them to watch. I mean, just like we see that type of vibe. Maybe me take on a lifestyle and just go live out in the bushes. But then again, now I'm out there and run into unscrupulous individuals who criminal basically, who live a bush. I'm going to see them do criminal activities and then my life in a danger. No, something like that. Find a nice like a beach side, baby, go set up a tent and just hunt some fish and light a fire and roast the fish. And eat the fish and just build back on the stars. And when you look up in the sky, you know, if a bright light for communities and you're sitting there, you just see nice, beautiful night sky filled with stars. Eh? Them type of vibe there. Probably then you're on the beach and you hear the oceans. Them type of shit there. Yeah, be a chat. I do for the vlog here still, but you know, someone in no mind, so let's go and chat. Yo, don't say nothing about me here. No, no talk the truth. I'm maddest hairstylist I never see. Nobody no got them hairstyle out the road, brother. My style is different. No, look man, come you know someone who never see them type of hair yet in our life, you know, look good man. Remember no man, at that time you talk where you use them, remember no man, what me remember brother? Remember good no man. Jamaica people can come up with some talk in there brother. Remember good no man. And kill Donkey Kong brother. Caesar mad. Eh? What them for kill Donkey Kong, them boy. Go bust shot on them boy. I really live in a joke, you know. I watch TV a while ago, right? See a commercial for asthma. They say, yo, you know, they have a medication for help people with their asthma. A side effect of that medication is trouble breathing.
Can I get a what?
How is it that you are looking medication for asthma, which is you are having difficulty breathing, you know what I mean? Oxygen problems, you know? And a side effect of the medication we're supposed to solve the problem is difficulty breathing. Yo, me I left a planet here to but I don't know. You know, my like a way to sharpen the knife. Me looking at my little drawer right there, so I realize me have a bag of cooking things, you know, like rolling pin, you know, they see this already, the meat, mallet, pizza cutter, whisk, one tongue with one strainer. You know, say I wish me did buy this off. Yeah, but my baster, but the baster, you know, mash up, the crack, spatula, one clean though. For put on sauce, pan chicken and them thing there. Chopper. This me should have probably used cut up the chicken. Yeah, but I look a thermometer. Cause I like to be precise when I cooking. I like to have the right measurements, the right temperature, but then when you have the ghetto stove, it's hard for you to get the right temperature with things because you don't really know what is what. Dough cutter. So from when I did make pizza and everything. So I look at tools them about the place, brother. For do my thing when I cook. I cut up the chicken, I know, yeah. Alright people, so as you can see, I just done season up the chicken with my dust season. The only type of season we really have is garlic and ginger. We have some time, but I put that in my pot yet until, you know, cookings and them things there go on. I think for you I go with flour and rice. By the way, Grace, big up on yourself. You see that jasmine rice here? You see that jasmine rice here? Grace, I don't know how to get it. Well, let me see. Thai home Mali rice. So I must say rice will come from Thailand. And Grace packaging, yeah, say product of Thailand and Grace packaging. You see the rice at Grace? You don't find a good rice. You understand? You see other rice when they sell in a supermarket to bag out already. If you don't eat the rice, you see the rice there alone. Someone will probably hate rice because of the rice. Because I'm not decent, sensible, nice rice. I just riff-raff rice. Bush rice. Yeah, bush rice. After a long while, I start hate rice because of bush rice. But then when I get to try other versions of rice, I say, hold on them man. So why they need a whole lot of the good things them? Basmati rice and jasmine rice. Grace, I'm big one up again. The rice here, I eat. Bush rice, when they sell in a supermarket already bag out, nothing sell. Don't get me talk, who want bex. I mean I say, if we're not going to go with the flour or the rice, have good old fashioned bread right there, so you understand? Good old fashioned carbohydrates. Right? I mean it. The base of food pyramid. You understand that? That's everything built upon the base. You figure it out. As me say, I have some rice from before where we can just make a egg fried rice. But we might just save that for another day because egg fried rice is a meal by itself. So the way how things are look right now, it might be bread. I got build back here now still. I'm kinda hungry. Now I tell no lie. My munch on a little snack and then drink some water and I mean that go and finish watch look a monkey show while I go and marinate over there. So is it I think it's marinated and not marinated. We soon come. And we sure not done people. We sure done. I think I'm gonna start edit the vlog here, you know. The finished product. I'm gonna mash down this for dinner. When I get to see me I eat. Sorry for all the people who don't know. And then we got dumpling instead of bread. But we never go cook dumpling, we go festival style. Yeah, that's the dinner and then you know, I made this chill for like 5 minutes. Then I go bust it down. We soon in our next vlog. Go and thump up on the thorax, you see me? Big up on the chest. Yeah.